And when I say they really invest in learning and development, I'll give you an example. Across all the ASEAN countries, they already shifted from investing in blue collar to investing in white collar jobs. Um, and for me, that shift is important because it it realized that work because of technology will be more easy. I mean, machines can really replace how people would work on oftentimes. And for you to compete, you need to add more value. And adding more value meaning would be upskilling yourself and developing yourself. So that's why there's a shift from being blue collars to focusing on white collar jobs. And